Do you know why are air fryers flying off the shelves during the cost of living crisis?
Yes, I know that air fryers are energy efficient.
Great job! Are you thinking of buying an air fryer?
Yes, but I am confused how to select the best air fryer.
Well, the selection depends on many factors.
What are those factors? I'm still confused.
Well, let's review some of the top-rated air fryer. Cosori air fryer. Best large capacity air fryer for affordability. Philips air fryer. Best air fryer for families and top choices. Ninja air fryer. Best blowout multifunctional air fryer. Instant Vortex. Best large capacity air fryer for small kitchen. Tefal air fryer. Best air fryer for versatility. Tower air fryer. Best air fryer for roasting chicken. Other air fryer.
Wow, so many options.
Well, don't hassle. Always keep an eye on special offers. Please feel free to visit my channel for air fryer related recipes. Thanks for watching.